Welcome back to my channel, Drinking Math. In this video, we are gonna solve this fraction, but where should we start the solution? I'm gonna rewrite it in the form of a very simple division. On top, we have 2 divided by 4. Let me write it. So it is going to be 2 divided by 4. I put it in parentheses. Over divided by. Bottom, we have 2 times 4. Let me rewrite it. 2 times 4. Then 2 divided by 4 is gonna be 1 over 2, right? Divided by 2 times 4 is 8. Now we are gonna solve this. 8 is 8 over 1. What do we have here? Division of two fractions. To solve this, we need to follow KCF. But what is KCF? K stands for keep, C stands for change, and lastly, F stands for flip. Now we are going to follow KCF to solve this division of two fractions. Keep the first fraction. Let me rewrite it. 1 over 2. Change division to multiplication. And lastly, flip the second fraction. 1 goes up, 8 comes down. So it is going to be 1 over 8. What is this? Multiplication of two fractions. 1 times 1 is 1, then 2 times 8 is 16. 1 over 16 is your answer.